Hi brothers, just I'm using 2015 3S Max. Just I started now. You can see the viewport, the front view, side view and the perspective views. Just go to imports and merge the file, 3S Max file. Just I'm importing the file. The group file. Just open it. Select all. Okay. The selected file blinks on your viewport. Sun shortest view. Of the shadows. And select from top view. Go to Vray camera. Just drag from top parts. It's a Vray camera. Adjust the camera view. After adjusting the camera, okay. And after that, select the Vray Sun. Vray Sun. Yes. Slightly drag up and down. For settings, go to Assign Render. And after that, select updated Vray version 1.1. After that, environmental effects. You can observe it. Don't skip any file. Just observe and learn the classes. Finally, you keep it on bucket view. For easy render. Bucket and keep it on export. Friends, please don't skip the video. And finally save it on PNG file. Save it as PNG file for Photoshop work, and finally click on render. The render process is going on.